First, grab a 7/16 socket and wrench. Place the wrench on one side of the cross-shaft bolt and the socket on the other, and run the nut back until you can remove it by hand. Then, remove the bolt from the cross-shaft. Slide the cross-shaft off of the gear pack. We will now repeat our procedure on the other side of the cross-shaft. Remove the cross-shaft bolt the same way as before. Note that this time, when we remove the cross-shaft from the gear pack, we will be removing the entire cross-shaft. Depending on what obstacles are in the way, you may need to maneuver the cross-shaft free of the obstructions. Now, we can install our new cross-shaft onto the gear pack. Insert your new bolt into position. Once it is through, grab a 7/16 nut and begin the nut on the rear by hand to help prevent cross-threading. Place your wrench on one side and use the socket to tighten everything back down. We will repeat our process again on the opposite side. Placing the cross-shaft back onto the gear pack, we will again insert our bolt and place our wrench on the back side to tighten the bolt down firmly into place. Make sure when you are doing this that you have checked that the room is still timed from side to side, as this could affect the operation of the room and how well it seals.